Back to this channel. Today we are looking at the pros and cons of using Artbreeder. You see, the Artbreeder is best for hobbyists, concept artists, writers, and game developers that need quick, varied visual references. For example, character portraits, as you can see here, character portraits, fantasy landscapes, and abstract art. So let's look at the pros first of all. We have what they call the unique image blender. These are the unique tools. So we have what they call the unique image blender, like the genetic splicer. This is the genetic. This is it, where you can manipulate or blend images in an innovative way, fostering exploration and expected results not easily replicated by other tools. Then we have the vibrant community. This is just part of the unique image blending. We also have the splicer here, where for mixing image and using the examples we mentioned before, the collage, where you can create an image out of simple shapes and image and text. For example, this one. So we also have, this was gotten from just made simple shapes like the circle and stuff. Let me show you. You can see a circle, an oval, and another shape. You write your prompt, a UFO flying during the sunset, click on generate, and it generates it. So that's for the collage. Then we have the splicer 2 that mix, branch, and edit images in a one-of-a-kind creative interface. This is it right here. Now let's go to the vibrant community. A large active community can share, remix, and collaborate on images, providing endless inspirations and a vast library of over 250 source images. This is the vast library. Then when it comes to experimentation, it is very easy. You get to, like that gene, what I told you earlier, the simple gene slider that makes it relatively easy to modify traits like the age, the gender, the color. Age, you can increase, decrease, the gender, the color. You can see blue color here. Or expression without needing complex prompt engineering. There's a lot of versatile tools. Look at the unique tools, versatile tools like Splicer, Collage, Mixer, and Outpainter, which offer you different approaches to creating new or expanded images. Also, the free tier is available. A free plan with basic tools and unlimited image generation allows users to test the platform before subscribing. These are the pros, and let's look at the cons. One, steep learning curve. It is easy to start, but mastering the genetic blending and achieving specific predictable results can be challenging and require trial and error. It also has limited precision control. It's not a replacement for traditional graphic design software like Photoshop because it lacks brush tools, layering, and precise editing features. Then subscription requires for quality. If you need quality, you need to subscribe. High resolution downloads, unlimited uploads, and commercial rights are only available with paid plans. Lastly, it depends on existing images. You cannot generate images purely from scratch. Creation must start from the existing library or user upload, which some find limiting. So what makes it unique? Well, unlike other text-to-image focused generators like Midjourney or Dell E3, Artblender's strength lies in visual collaborative evolution. It treats images like genetic material that can be bred and guided, making it a unique creative playground for those who enjoy exploration over pure instruction. The new features such as animator and enhanced collager continue to expand its utility for content creators. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.